Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are fine and doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of garden. I hope this is our best collection for them. And I hope that you are gonna love all the kitchen design. In this video, you are gonna love these kitchen design ideas. These are basically of garden design and this is the best collection for them. So just watch this video till the end. You will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you are gonna love the garden design collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. With the positive feedback, tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was the design. So please, if you are loving these designs, to support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. So I may bring more useful video for you, more useful ideas for you, and thanks for your appreciation on precious videos. So in this video, you will see the luxurious garden, and for those people who love to modern garden ideas, this is the best collection for them. They will get many design, many ideas from this video. This is a very nice collection for them. I hope that they are going to love this collection and they are gonna find this collection. Half of them proved very useful for them. So just keep watching this video while and more many beautiful ideas you will get from my video. Hey guys, these designs are so nice. It will help you to choose your justice. You will get many ideas from them. So I hope that you are loving this design. So if you want to watch more collection and different type of decor design luxuries, garden, modern garden ideas, so you can visit my channel and check the precious collection on my channel. You can check the playlist section also. You will find luxurious garden ideas. If you want updated by the latest decor trends, it is just assigning ideas on my channel. It is all about the latest home decor ideas. How is the video? How are design? I wish a more collection went to watch my channel to serve feels or messages repeat you. Tell me all this in the comment and give this support by sharing my video with your friends. Goodbye dear.